We're here at EuroBLECH on the Prima Power stand to find out about one of their latest machines. Now Barry, before we get into the machine behind us, just give us a little bit on yourself and what you do here at Prima Power.
So I am Prima Power UK's General Manager, I'm the Country Manager.
So what are we actually stood in front of?
We are stood in front of our very latest 2D fibre laser machine. This is the Platino Linear 1530. Only recently launched by us, making its debut at EuroBLECH with some new features as well.
So talk us through these new features, because what makes this the latest machine?
So, Platino is a name we've been using for a while for our 2D lasers, but this is a Platino with a difference. The main thing, first of all, is that we have linear drives on the machine. So this has got maintenance-free, very accurate linear drives powering the X and Y axes. We have 0.03 accuracy, full stroke and repeatability positioning. Absolutely fantastic machine.
And talking about accuracy, obviously one of the problems people have with lasers is keeping the nozzle clean.
Yes.
So how does that work on this machine to keep that accuracy to where you said?
So the machine has a nozzle cleaner. It also has a nozzle centering system. So if we have the tip changer on there, of course that mounts the nozzle, but when we need to make sure that the beam alignment is correct, it has a system on there for going in and checking the beam alignment and allowing for any adjustments as required.
And obviously that must help with lights out running.
Of course, yeah.
Now obviously for lights out running you've got to be able to put quite a few sheets through this machine. So what have you got bolted onto it?
So behind me is the compact server. The compact server allows you to put a 3-ton pallet of material, raw material in at the top, and the machine will process each sheet, produce the cut parts and leave them in the sheet, discharge them back out on the pallet changer, pick up that process sheet and put it onto another pallet at the bottom end. It's basically 3 ton in, 3 ton out of process sheets. The pallet changer, which is a new innovation for us even on this machine, which is still brand new, this is our high-speed pallet changer. That's going to do a pallet change in 13 seconds.
13 seconds, that's quicker than most CNC machines can change a pallet.
Yeah.
Now, talk me through green means, because obviously it's the first thing you see really when you come up to this machine.
Yeah. Green means is a company-wide philosophy. We've been using it for a long time. Everything that we do is about sustainability, environmental friendliness, low power consumption, low harm to the environment. You'll see right around every one of our machines on our whole product range, it's all servo electric, it's all low energy consumption, basically to keep the carbon footprint of the machine down to an absolute minimum. That's a philosophy right the way across our product range.
And obviously that must be quite a big talking point for your customers, because obviously with energy prices, people are trying to find ways of keeping their bills down. So obviously this must be quite a big hit there.
Yeah, definitely. And that's one of the other things in the fibre laser technology, because of the way that we produce the fibre. We're not on a CO2 machine anymore, where we're using lots of different gases to generate the energy, bouncing it off multiple mirrors in order to create the cut. This is a fibre laser. It generates the laser beam, it sends it down a fibre optic cable, straight out of the head, straight into the material. One of the other things that we've got on this machine in order to make it more green is there's a couple of features that we have that are available for it, one of which is a new nozzle design, which basically sits almost on top of the material and allows for the nitrogen that is used for the cutting to go through the material and not across the top of the material because the nozzle's too far away. That means that we get a gas reduction in the cutting on certain materials, certain thicknesses. The other thing that we have on this machine is a gas mixer option. The gas mixer mixes nitrogen with a tiny bit of oxygen in order to create a cleaner, faster cut and reduce the consumption of the nitrogen, which is the primary cutting gas, and of course the most expensive gas that's being used for it.
What size of sheet can you cut on this machine?
On this one, 1.5 by 3 meters is the normal size of sheet, so standard format sheet.
And what sort of industries have you either seen this go into or expect to see this go into?
It goes, normally our 2D lasers go into a wide range of industries. Subcontract is one of the big ones, but we also have them in the automotive industry. We have them in HVAC sector, in commercial refrigeration, you name it, anybody doing anything with sheet steel.
Now, one last question before we finish, and actually this came from your colleague a minute ago, is obviously usually with 2D lasers or machines of this type, people will come in the morning, turn them on to warm them up because that gives you the accuracy. But this is different.
It's way more sophisticated than that now. You basically have a machine that is supposed to be able to run either lights out with the automation on it, or come in, turn it on, get to grips with it, get the machine programmed up, and off it goes straight away. You know, that's an old thing from old CO2 machines mainly, where you have that warming up phase before anything actually starts to work.
So just give us one last little overview on this machine and why people should come and look at this new technology.
So, brand new technology. In this machine, the linear drive, the entire system that's on this machine is actually inherited from our 3D machines, which of course are way more sophisticated. This machine is designed to complement the other machine in our range, the Laser Genius Plus, which is the bigger one that goes into much more advanced automated systems. So this is designed to be an absolute workhorse, but critically, it's affordable.